Hi and welcome to the Python Video Workbook. This is a special course as it is entirely exercise based, which means you are the one who is going to create the programs, the Python programs, instead of me in the video as it generally happens with video courses. So there are 100 exercises or assignments if you like, and in each assignment you are given a Python problem to solve. That could be to fix an error, or create a program from scratch, or simply change a part of some existing code to get an expected output. The assignments are sometimes given as text, and sometimes for more complicated programs, there will be a video where I show you the behavior of the program that you are required to build. Then each exercise is immediately followed by the exercise solution, so you can compare your solution to my solution. However, keep in mind that sometimes solutions can be different, of course. So if your output is the same as mine, you can mark that exercise as solved. So output is what matters. However, if you are unsure about the efficiency of your solution, you can post your solution in the Q&A area. So I can give you some feedback. Moreover, the exercises are scored depending on their difficulty level, so you are advised to keep track of the points you collect, because at the end of the course you'll be able to use your total points to see what category level your Python skills fall in. And yeah, that would be an introduction about the course, and in the next video I'll show you the tools you need to complete this course, and in the video after that I'll demonstrate best practices on how to solve an exercise, so that you are sure you are making the best of the course. I'll talk to you later. Thanks.